everyone. I'm Ahana and they are my teammates. This is Kashish, this is Janshi. Beside her is Janvi and beside Janvi is Devansh. So we are here to represent our model of DNA. So basically by this model we are trying to explain how DNA mechanism repair takes place. So basically DNA is very large since it's described as a macromolecule. It consists of repeating nucleotides and those repeating nucleotides consist of nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar and phosphate group. The nitrogenous bases are of 4 kinds that are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. So basically what happens is there are 2 DNA strands. So when one of them is damaged, the other one which is perfectly fine uses other components from the body. It synthesizes itself and then repairs it and 2 new DNA strands are formed.
Which in furthers, those 2 strands of the DNA completes a short complementary sequence and then the final lipase of the DNA is formed. And I would like to give the significance of the NER, which is like the cell maintains the integrity of the DNA,
which helps in maintaining the healthy life of an individual. Thank you.